Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're looking at the Gabor texture and also how to make an ocean. So we're going to go ahead and delete the default cube. We're going to go to the render engine. Make sure you change cycles, change 2 cycles from Eevee. Let's go ahead and add a plane. And I'm going to go to the modifiers right here, and we're going to go to edit and ocean. So you can see now that we have this kind of ocean kind of theme. We're going to go ahead and just click repeat a couple of times so that we've got that nice little ocean theme in the center just here. So what I'm going to do, let's go to the shading tab and let's go new with shade. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice little ocean that we can look at. And also we're going to add a Gabor texture to it just to define a few things within this. So let's go Gabor. Gabor texture right here. You want to place your value into your base colour. We're going to go ahead and we can scale this down just a little bit. And you can see how the Gabor texture kind of places this nice little wave texture over the top. Now this would be great for sand as well as water. What you want to do is take the 2D and we'll change that to 3D, and you can mess around with the frequency a little bit, make it look a little bit more oceany, and the scale. And what we can do as well, let's go ahead and add a colour ramp, and we're going to go plus, and we'll add a nice little kind of blue kind of grey. And what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and just add some little other textures as well, kind of like a little bit of green or something like that, just in the back, just subtly. And we can take the roughness down, and we can put the metallic up. So this now gives us kind of like this nice little water kind of thing. Also, we can take the alpha down, so this is slightly see-through as well. And I think this is a great technique just to kind of facilitate some looks underneath water. You could also change the blues right here that we have to oranges, and you'll be able to see sand underneath the water, so to speak. I mean, to be honest with you, I probably wouldn't do that, not for this project, but we have something like this. So I'm just going to move this blue across just ever so slightly. So if we go ahead and add an object underneath, such as a cube, so go ahead and scale this up and then press G and bring this down. So we have the cube right there in the middle. I'm just going to click off the cube. You can see that this is slightly see-through, so the more that you retract the alpha, the more you'll be able to see the cube, and the less that you retract the alpha, the cube will disappear. So I thought that was a really neat, fun tutorial to do with you guys for today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.